Ever wondered how to make the perfect homemade burger? Today we're unlocking the secrets to crafting a burger masterpiece right from your kitchen. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that will leave your taste buds wanting more. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. Start with ground beef, ideally 80% lean and 20% fat for the juiciest patties. You'll need hamburger buns and cheese slices of your choice. For toppings, consider lettuce, tomatoes and onions, but feel free to get creative. Don't forget about the pickles, ketchup, mustard and mayonnaise, the condiments that'll add that extra tang. Lastly, you'll need salt and pepper for seasoning and some olive oil for cooking. With all your ingredients at hand, you're ready to start crafting your delicious homemade burger. Now, it's time to shape your burger patties. Start with the seasoned ground beef. Using your hands, gently incorporate the salt and pepper. Remember, don't overwork it. We want to keep those juicy pockets of fat intact. Next, divide the mixture into equal portions. Each portion is then shaped into a patty, slightly larger than your bun. They'll shrink a bit when cooked. And there you have it. You should now have perfectly shaped patties ready to be cooked to juicy perfection. With your patties shaped, it's time to cook them. Preheat a skillet or a grill pan over medium-high heat, adding just a touch of olive oil. Place your patties onto the heated surface, letting them sizzle for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side for that perfect medium finish. Adjust your cooking time based on your preferred level of doneness. Fancy a bit of cheese? Toss a slice onto each patty in the last minute of cooking, letting it melt into gooey goodness. Once your patties are cooked to your liking, it's time to assemble your burger. The final step is assembling your homemade burger. Start by toasting your buns lightly. This gives them a nice crunch and prevents them from becoming soggy. Now, onto the bottom half of each toasted bun, place your beautifully cooked patty. It's time to layer on the flavor with your chosen toppings. Fresh, crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and sharp onions are classics. Don't forget those tangy pickles for a burst of acidity. Next, drizzle on your favorite condiments, ketchup, mustard, maybe a dollop of mayonnaise. The possibilities are endless and entirely up to your taste. Crown your creation with the top half of the bun, and there you have it. You've now created your perfect homemade burger. All that's left is to enjoy it. Congratulations on creating your homemade burger. Relish in the accomplishment of crafting this delightful dish. Savor each bite, knowing it's been made to your exact taste. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope you enjoy your homemade burger as much as we do. Happy cooking!